Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to HR Repair. This is Hey Ray. Today we have a 2014 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. It's the Sahara edition. This thing has got a little bit of a squeak that the customer does not like, and he wants us to see if we can get this taken care of. So stay tuned and we'll see if we can figure this out. I think we know what's going on, but let's see if we can get it taken care of. Contact. So coming in here, let's get a light on in here. If we come in here and we look up through here, maybe I can get you guys to where you can see. There we go. You can hear it. So what I think is happening is that there's a Teflon bushing in there that is a little bit dry. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get my GoPro up in there with you guys or with me when I go to spray that, but we're going to try it and we'll see if we can get this kind of taken care of. So what I'm going to try to use is this Molly High-Vis Boom Lube. Cleans to vertical surfaces. It's reduced friction and wear. So made by Schaefer's, so you know it's good. So let's go ahead and see if I can get up in there and spray a little bit of that up in there. What we want to do is I'm just pretty sure I'm not going to be able to get you guys up in there to where you can see, but we'll want to trying to do this. Oops, wrong one. Trying to do this looking through the camera, but we'll want to kind of pull this thing down and lubricate that Teflon bushing there. So we'll let's just see if I can spray something up in there and get that worked in there to where our squeak will go away. Yeah, my shoulder already hurts because I'm trying to get up in there and around the corner. So I know I'm not going to be able to get you guys up in there, so I'm going to spray some up in there and we'll see if that takes care of it. All right, we had to change our plans just a little bit. I could not get this stuff up in there because I need a little straw, and this one does not have a provision for a straw. As you can see there, that is designed for a flat surface. So this is not a flat surface. This is most definitely something that requires a straw. What I mean by that is that right there. So once again, another Schaefer's product, Penetro 90. It's good stuff. I like it. I use it some. All right, so what we did is we went up in there and we went in those holes and in between the rubber and the white bushing there, and we'll go all the way. We stuck that straw. I'm gonna try to get you guys in here to where you can see it. I say see it, I'm trying to explain it, but we went right into here. So we pulled this down and we just stuck that right and went all the way back here. Do it on all four sides. Bottom, side, top, side. Then you'll have to work this pedal quite a bit. You know, just start the Jeep, work the pedal back and forth, and just keep going until it works its way in there. You may have to spray it several times to get it to work, but as you can tell now, we have no noise and it works smoother. So, quietness. It works good. That's what we want to hear. So this one here is going to be an easy fix on that. We got accomplished what we wanted to accomplish, which is a non-squeaky pedal. If this helped you out, let me know that down in the comments below. I appreciate you. Thanks for being here. Y'all have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you on the next one. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Goodbye.